I know what I was going to do. I was going to walk back to the end of my property because it's fall, so now no more really tall grass, I don't think. But here's my septic system right here. It's a huge, because it has to cover that and the house. And this is gray water, so there's sprinklers that go back here. I'll show you. I'll walk back this way. So those, you know, if you see that blue box on the wall that's got like a flasher, like a flashing light that spins around, and that's when it needs to come on, it'll automatically come on. And the sprinkled gray water back here, which is clean water, it's runoff. So here's one sprinkler here. Here's one sprinkler head. Then there's another one way back here. I dug this up, so it's kind of rough still. Here's another one right here. So this is all going to be, once I get all this cleared out, I'm clearing all these little scrub trees, and there's some nice trees back here. Some of these little scrub trees that can't grow up straight up, I'll get rid of. But here's another sprinkler. And then here's my property, goes way back here. So we've got some nice trees. Nice trees back here. That's got to go. Cedar's got to go. And these little bitty thorn trees got to go. But now I can walk back here because all of these are dead, so this has got to go. But we've got some really nice trees back here. Let me walk back to the edge. I can kind of show you. Yeah, we got some tall grass back here. I got to be careful. I want to hear you rattling. I know there's snakes back here. I'm kind of walking at an angle. Gotta find, oh, there's my stake. Here we go. So here's the first stake. This is where my property line starts going that way. And there's the neighbors. So mine goes kind of at an angle like this. So those are theirs, and a lot of this is mine right through here. There's another one of those bodark trees with the big hedge apples. This wood, they say, is thousands of dollars. I cut this down, I could sell that wood for thousands of dollars. It's supposed to be the hardest wood ever. And it's got thorns, so I'll trim them up. So this I have to get rid of, believe it or not. I'll cut it off right at my property line and get it hauled off. I'll keep that as firewood. There's a lot of good firewood there. So I'm walking this way. My property goes way over here. I got some really nice trees back here. Really, look at, there's a great big one over there. But I don't know if my property goes that far back to the creek. I have to go up here. There's some really nice trees. Look at that. Those are beautiful trees. So we've got to find the other part of my property line. You can't see one from the other, which is kind of neat. Oh, there it is, way over there. Whoa. So, it may only come at an angle. I don't think I can actually go back all the way to the creek. There's a way over here. So here's the, let's see if I can get over here. There's the other stake. So there's, oh God, I can't even see it over there. Way over there by that clearing. So it comes way over here. I don't know if I can cut through there. I'm going to go back around the weeds and do it another way. We got a guy in our neighborhood that does trees, and we told him about this. He said he'll clear a lot of this stuff and only charge me like $500 an acre. And I'm not quite 2 acres. So here's my other property line right here. So it goes, I can see my house, so it goes way over this way. You can see it goes way over that way. I can't. Right about. I see their house. Oh wow, look at some nice trees here. Look at that one. That was great big one, great big one. So my property goes, let me see. I'll have it surveyed so I know where to put my fences. I'm going to do like a fence like the other neighbor. Oh no, see it does angle that way, so it doesn't go quite this way. Because that's his backyard. It probably goes right here. Right straight that way. I go right next to their house, believe it or not, which is really cool. It goes right. Yeah, that's that cedar right there. That's on my property too. So I have a stake in the front yard, and it goes right next to their grass line. That's my property on their grass line. It's kind of cool. So I got a pretty good size lot. 1.815 acres. Whoa! Oh wow, I'm not even anywhere near my house. They got a pond back here. I had no clue these people have a pond. So I'm over this way. It looks like my brick though. There's some extra stone. I'm over this way.